Ready for more shape fun? Let's draw some awesome new ones today.
Yay!
Part 2.
First up, let's draw a shiny diamond. Start at the top. Go down to the right. Down again to the bottom. Up to the left. And up again to the top.
We did it.
Here are some things that look like a diamond, a kite, a shiny ring, and warning signs. Now it's time to draw a star. Go up, then down, like a roof. Now a sideways V to the left. Now, one to the right. Draw a V pointing down. And one more below that.
Twinkle, twinkle.
Stars are on flags, badges, and in the sky. Let's draw a heart. Start in the middle. Curve up and around to the left. Back to the middle. Now curve up and around to the right, and down to the point. That's a heart.
So cute.
You can find hearts on cards, pillows, or even in strawberries.
Wow!
Here comes a 5-sided pentagon. Start at the top. Go down to the left. Go straight down. Go across the bottom. Go up to the right. And back to the top. A pentagon has 5 sides.
5 sides.
You will see it on houses, shields, and soccer balls. Now let's try a crescent, like the moon. Start at the top. Curve around like a big C. Now a smaller one inside, and close it up. That's a crescent.
Moon shape.
Crescents look like bananas, moons, and croissants. Let's finish by drawing a cross shape. Draw a line going down. Now one across the middle. That's a cross. Cross complete. You see crosses on first aid kits, churches, and as the plus sign in math. You rocked those shapes.
Yay!
Part 3 is coming soon. Don't miss it.
Like and subscribe.